ever exited a trade due to stop loss only to watch the same setup play out perfectly just in minutes later? Or wished your strategy could instantly adapt when the market turns volatile without you stepping in? These situations are common, and missing those second chances can be frustrating. To solve this, Conman introduced two smart features, which is re-entry and re-execute. They help your strategy stay active, responsive, and intelligent even after a stop loss. So in this video, we will understand what these features do, how they work, and how can you use them effectively in your strategy. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. The first feature that we are going to see is re-entry. When you create a strategy in Conman, you usually define option legs based on either premium or future based strike. Once your trade is live, the market may not always follow your expectations. Sometimes a leg might hit stop loss and exit the trade. But what if the same conditions appears again later in the day? What if the same strike price comes back to the same premium entered earlier? This is where re-entry becomes useful. When re-entry is enabled in your strategy, Conman watches the market after a stop loss exit. If the same condition returns, and define how many times you want the system to re-enter for the same trades. You can allow up to 5 times for each leg. To make it even more simple, let me tell you with an example. Suppose you are running a nifty option buying strategy. After the entry condition is met, we have instructed the algorithm to trade an ATM to call option. Let's say the entry condition is met at 10 am and the 24,000 call is traded at Rs 150. At around 10:20 am, the call option hit the stop loss and the position is being exited. Now the system does not immediately take the action. Instead, it waits for the same setup to come back. Later in the day, if the same 24,000 call option come back to your initial entry level, that is 150 rupees, then Conman re-enters the trade. This allows your strategy to continue based on your original logic, giving you another chance to capture the opportunity. This is how re-entry works irrespective of the strike selection criteria like premium based or delta based strike selection. If you don't want to wait for both the same strike price and the same premium confirmation, you can use re-execute. Re-execute is designed for the traders who want their strategy to continue immediately after the stop loss exit without waiting for the same condition to repeat. When re-execute is enabled, Conman exits the leg that hit the stop loss and executes another leg that matches the initial leg's entry conditions as per the set execution timing. Just like with re-entry, you need to set how many times you want to allow this. Conman supports up to 5 re-executes per leg. If you are running a nifty short straddle strategy with delta based strike selection, delta lesser than 0.4. Say around 9:40 am, the market drops suddenly and the put option hits stop loss. Now instead of waiting, Conman immediately executes another put option that currently has the delta value lesser than 0.4. This allows your strategy to adjust in real time and continue without missing the next opportunity. Re-execute is especially helpful with option selling setups like rolling straddles where the trade is frequently adjusted to maintain a market neutral exposure and capture the premium decay effectively. It's perfect for range bound markets where setups tend to repeat, and how re-execute acts instantly, replacing the exited leg with a fresh one that matches your original logic. Both features are available under feature enablement option in Conman, and they are designed to help your trade more effectively with more control. We highly recommend trying out re-entry and re-execute in your next live or paper trade. Yeah, that's it. Hope this video finds useful for you. For more such updates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Tell us what other feature you would like us to cover or how you can plan to use these tools in your own strategies. Until next time, trade smart and trade with Conman.
Trading and investing involve substantial risk and are not suitable for every investor.